The world of finance is no stranger to technological disruption. From electronic trading to algorithmic strategies, innovation drives progress. Today, we stand at the cusp of another revolution, AI in trading. AI is transforming market analysis, decision-making, and trade execution. At the forefront is ChatGPT, a sophisticated language model by OpenAI. ChatGPT processes vast data, identifies patterns, and generates trading ideas at lightning speed. This technology democratizes access to advanced trading tools, empowering both seasoned professionals and aspiring traders. Discover how ChatGPT is reshaping the trading landscape and unlocking unprecedented opportunities. Let's explore ChatGPT's capabilities in the realm of trading. This AI tool is designed to assist traders in making informed decisions by providing real-time data analysis, strategy generation, and trade automation. These features make it a game-changer for traders, offering a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of stock markets. ChatGPT excels in market data analysis, strategy generation, and trade automation. It can sift through vast amounts of market data, identifying trends and patterns that might be missed by the human eye. It processes vast amounts of market data with speed and accuracy, ensuring that you have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. ChatGPT can uncover hidden patterns and correlations in historical price data, providing insights that can inform your trading strategies. It assists in generating trading strategies based on your risk tolerance and goals. Whether you're a conservative trader or willing to take more risks, ChatGPT can tailor strategies to suit your needs. ChatGPT can backtest strategies against historical data to assess profitability. This means you can see how a strategy would have performed in the past before committing real money. By connecting it to your brokerage account, you can automate trades based on predefined rules. This automation can help you execute trades more efficiently and take advantage of market opportunities as they arise. This frees up your time for risk management and strategy optimization. Instead of spending hours analyzing data, you can focus on refining your strategies and managing your portfolio. Learn how to harness ChatGPT for your trading endeavors. There are numerous resources available to help you get started, from tutorials to community forums. Formulate effective prompts, interpret responses, and integrate it into your workflow. With the right approach, ChatGPT can become an invaluable tool in your trading arsenal. Now let's dive into using ChatGPT for profitable trading. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can leverage AI to enhance your trading strategies and make informed decisions. Step 1. Define your trading needs and preferences. This is crucial, as it sets the foundation for your trading journey. Consider what you aim to achieve, whether it's short-term gains or long-term investments. Understand your trading goals, risk appetite, and preferred instruments. Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-reward trades, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Identifying these factors will help tailor your strategy. Step 2. Formulate clear and specific prompts. When interacting with ChatGPT, the clarity of your questions directly impacts the quality of the responses. Think about the specific information you need. Be precise in your language to get accurate responses. For example, instead of asking, "What stocks should I buy?" ask, "What are the top-performing tech stocks this quarter?" Step 3. Apply strategies on your trading platform. Once you have the information, it's time to put it into action. Use your trading platform to analyze suggested instruments and confirm signals. Analyze suggested instruments, confirm signals, and execute trades. Remember, the final decision should always be yours, based on thorough analysis and understanding. Conduct your own due diligence before risking capital. This means staying updated with financial news, understanding market trends, and continuously learning. Step 4. Incorporate AI for risk management. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in managing risks by providing insights and calculations that might be time-consuming manually. Use ChatGPT to calculate position sizes, set stop-loss orders, and determine profit targets. This can help you manage your trades more effectively and minimize potential losses. Follow these steps to integrate ChatGPT into your trading workflow. By doing so, you can enhance your decision-making process and potentially increase your profitability. Consistent practice and refinement will lead to more accurate insights. The more you use these tools and strategies, the better you'll become at making informed trading decisions. Happy trading! Protecting your capital is crucial in trading. ChatGPT enhances your risk management strategies. It helps calculate optimal position sizes based on risk tolerance and instrument volatility. ChatGPT suggests stop-loss levels based on historical data and risk appetite. It determines realistic take-profit targets using technical analysis and market sentiment. ChatGPT automates backtesting and optimization of trading strategies. This allows you to fine-tune your approach and gain confidence. Incorporate ChatGPT into your risk management strategy for informed decisions. Risk management is about taking calculated risks that align with your goals. Protect your trading capital with ChatGPT's insights. Automating your trading edge, ChatGPT and Python. In today's fast-paced financial markets, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and programming can give you a significant advantage. Combine ChatGPT's analytical prowess with Python programming for semi-autonomous trading systems. ChatGPT can process vast amounts of data and provide insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. When you integrate this with Python, you can create systems that not only analyze data but also act on it. Python is widely used in finance for data analysis, financial modeling, and API integrations. Its versatility and extensive libraries make it a favorite among financial analysts and developers. Whether you're dealing with historical data or real-time market feeds, Python has the tools you need. Use Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy for data acquisition and pre-processing. These libraries simplify the process of cleaning and organizing data, which is a critical step before any analysis or trading decision can be made. Feed this data to ChatGPT for signal generation based on specific criteria. ChatGPT can help identify patterns and trends that might not be immediately obvious, providing you with actionable trading signals. Execute trades automatically via brokerage APIs using Python libraries like requests. This allows for quick and efficient trade execution, minimizing the delay between signal generation and trade placement. Monitor performance with data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. These tools help you track your trading system's performance and make necessary adjustments. Visualizing data can reveal insights that raw numbers might not. Building an automated trading system requires programming knowledge. Understanding the basics of Python and how to interact with APIs is essential. The more you know, the more sophisticated your trading system can become. Numerous online resources and courses can help you get started. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses on Python programming and financial analysis. Investing time in learning these skills can pay off significantly in the long run. Regularly monitor your system's performance and adapt to market conditions. The financial markets are constantly changing, and your trading system needs to be flexible enough to adapt to new information and trends. Incorporate robust risk management measures. Protecting your capital is just as important as making profits. Implementing stop-loss orders and position sizing strategies can help mitigate risks. Automation enhances your trading edge with ChatGPT and Python. By combining the analytical capabilities of ChatGPT with the programming power of Python, you can create a trading system that is both intelligent and efficient, giving you a competitive edge in the market. Avoiding common pitfalls. Navigating the ChatGPT trading landscape. Be aware of ChatGPT's limitations to avoid costly mistakes. Don't over-rely on AI predictions. Conduct your own analysis. Consider real-time market sentiment and breaking news. Thoroughly backtest strategies against historical data. Implement robust risk management measures like stop-loss orders and position sizing. Approach ChatGPT with skepticism and sound trading principles. Maximize benefits while mitigating potential risks. The human element. Why human oversight remains essential. AI transforms trading, but human oversight and intuition are indispensable. ChatGPT augments human decision-making, not replaces it. Experienced traders understand market psychology and geopolitical events. Human traders adapt strategies to dynamic market conditions. Ethical considerations and risk aversion guide human traders. Continuous learning and improvement drive trading success. AI assists, but human traders drive the learning cycle. Embrace the value of human oversight for long-term success. Technology and human expertise complement each other. The future of AI in trading. A glimpse into tomorrow's markets. AI in trading continues to evolve with more sophisticated tools. Advanced sentiment analysis will enhance market understanding. Personalized AI assistants will provide tailored trading recommendations. Algorithmic trading will become accessible to all. AI will enhance risk management and fraud detection. The future of AI in trading is bright with potential. These technologies will transform market analysis, decision-making, and trade execution. Democratizing trading insights, ChatGPT empowering traders worldwide. ChatGPT represents a pivotal moment in democratizing trading insights. It empowers traders of all levels with access to cutting-edge AI technology. ChatGPT breaks down traditional barriers to entry in trading. It provides cost-effective access to advanced technology. ChatGPT empowers informed decision-making with data analysis and strategy generation. It fosters a collaborative trading community. Online forums and communities dedicated to ChatGPT for trading are emerging. ChatGPT's impact on democratizing trading insights will grow. This AI technology empowers traders to achieve their financial goals.